Mastering Kitchen English. Boil for 5 minutes, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might come across in cooking recipes or when preparing food. Boil for 5 minutes. Understanding this simple instruction can help you not only in the kitchen but also in mastering everyday English. Let's get started. The phrase, boil for 5 minutes, might seem straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. To boil means to heat a liquid until it reaches a temperature where it starts to change from a liquid to a gas, creating bubbles and steam. When a recipe instructs you to boil for 5 minutes, it's telling you to keep the liquid at this boiling point for exactly 5 minutes. This is important for achieving the desired texture, flavor, or doneness of the food you're preparing. 1. Boil. This is the key action. It means to heat a liquid until it starts bubbling and turning into steam. 2. For 5 minutes. This specifies the duration. You need to maintain the boiling action for a continuous 5-minute period. Combining these, the phrase instructs you to start timing once the water, or any liquid, has begun to boil and keep it at that boiling state for the duration mentioned. Following this instruction correctly is crucial in cooking. The boiling process can affect texture. Certain foods need to be boiled for a specific amount of time to become tender. Flavor. Some ingredients release or absorb flavors best at boiling temperatures. Safety. Boiling for the right amount of time can ensure harmful bacteria are killed, especially in water and some types of food. Understanding and executing this instruction correctly can mean the difference between a meal that is safe to eat, delicious, and perfectly textured, and one that is not. Boil for 5 minutes is more than just a simple instruction. It's a fundamental cooking technique that also helps you practice your timing and multitasking skills in English. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or looking to sharpen your language skills, mastering such phrases can make your learning journey more practical and enjoyable. We hope this video helps you in both your cooking adventures and your English learning journey. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video!